Maaari kayang sa maruming lansangan, mahanap ang pag-asa at tahanan? Ngayong gabi sa GMA Telebaban, Home Sweet Home. Susundan ng 24 oras. Indio, Mundo Mo'y Akin, Love and Lies, at Queen and I. Tutok lang mga kapuso.
Strategic partnership lang ang gagawin natin.
Hala!
Bitiwan mo yung kamay!
Paano na si Tristan? I do. Martes, pagkatapos ng kakambal ni Eliana.
Ang programang tinangkilik ninyong mula pa noon, patuloy pa rin ninyong minamahal hanggang sa ngayon. Asahan ninyong patuloy kami magbibigay sa inyo ng mga bagong pag-asa.
Magpakailanman tuwing Sabado ng gabi. Unforgettable. Susunod na sa GMA Afternoon Prime. Sa panahon ni Pluto Nash, high-tech na lahat ng nakatira sa moon pero nagkalat pa rin ang Space Goons. The Adventures of Pluto Nash sa GMA Blockbusters ngayong linggo.
Parang may sakit na to.
Yan o! Namiss mo na ba ang mga eksenang to?
Hindi ako,
Ito pa.
Ito pa! Mamahagi ka naman ng tangkad!
Huwag na magpahuli. Matula Tris na sa pinakapaborito at nangungunang comedy game show ng bayan. Ngayong hapon sa GMA Afternoon Prime. Unforgettable. Bukod kang pinagpalakambal ni Eliana at I do. GMA Afternoon Prime.
As the world's #1, I have to keep a cool head. No matter how heated it gets, I can always give my best. That's why I use Head & Shoulders Cool Blast.
Now for men, it leaves you up to 100% dandruff-free forever for days, weeks, and months. And gives you that longer lasting cooling. Now for men, Head & Shoulders Cool Blast.
P&G.
Kwelyo, manggas at kili-kili. Tuming nanood dyan, sa Tide, tanggal sa kalahating kusutan.
Babad at konting kusot? Ang dali! Ang puti!
Tide, posing sa kaputihan. 850 lang.
My hair, perfect siya dito. Pero pagdating dito, sobrang damage.
That's because the most damaged part of hair is the tips. Pantene Daily Intensive Conditioner gives extreme nourishment to help repair severe damage.
So ang tips ko, maintain ang ganda.
Pantene.
Wow! Cotton pala ang Whisper?
Hindi lang yan. Whisper Soft Cottony Cover locks in fluid 2 times better than the leading brand. Soft on skin, yet tough on wetness. The best ever cottony protection from Whisper.
P&G.
Bakit pa tayo mga Pinoy laging bumabangon? Kasi kahit anong mangyari, ang katatagan natin,
Nangingibabaw.
ang paniniwala natin,
Nangingibabaw!
ang inspirasyon natin, nangingibabaw. Yan ang turo sa akin ng Tito Robin. Dapat nangingibabaw. Kaya simula pa lang ng araw, ito agad. Nescafe Classic. Para sa amin, ito lang ang nag-iisang kape. Matamis man o maputi ang timpla, ang sarap ng kape. Nangingibabaw pa rin. Parang tayong mga Pinoy. Ito lang, Nescafe Classic.
Enjoy, Duncan!
Excuse me. Can I have 2 muffins and a brewed coffee, please? Actually, you know what? I think I'll have an iced coffee and 4 Bavarians. Can I just have a sandwich?
Suki, para sa'yo. Kahit anong piliin mo, 199 lang.
Just like Derek, you can enjoy delicious Dunkin' favorites to share for 199 pesos. Choose from 6 combinations.
There's only Dunkin' for me.
Ito si Robin. Tuwing kakain, kung saan-saan nakatingin. Kain, anak? Sige na.
Worried na ako sa nutrisyon niya.
Naiintindihan ko.
Kaya meron tayong partner, Lacto. With essential nutrients from the food pyramid. To help make Robin a 100% nourished kid. 100% panatag tayo sa Lacto. Happy Mother's Day. Happy 100% Panatag Day from Lacto.
Oops. Napalakas.
Kaya ng buhok ko yan.
Talaga?
Oo naman.
Para sa buhok na dandruff-free forever and stronger from scalp to tip. Try Head & Shoulders.
Para sa mga hindi nauubos ang trabaho,
Sa mga 3 oras kong magpagwapo, sa lahat ng may bagong nakilala, sa mga gustong magpamis sa tropa,
para sa mga laging rason ng traffic,
at sa mga biglang nalipat sa night shift,
sa mga bagong tata, at sa may bagong bahay, may Emperador Light na naghihintay, may barkadang lagi mong kasabay, may Emperador Light na naghihintay, gawin natin lang ang buhay.
Every time he thinks, billions of neurons will connect rapidly for a new learning experience. Scientifically designed by Mead Johnson, new Enfakid A+ with DHA Power Plus gives the highest levels of DHA to help meet expert recommended levels. Unlock his amazing power to learn. Enfakid A+.
This season, hot lips are in. Made healthy by the hot Lapuyo in Lucky Me Spicy Hot Beef Mommy. My oh so hot Lapuyo to make your mommy spicy and yummy. Be hot, hot, hot. Lucky Me Spicy Hot Beef Mommy. I Lapuyo.
Get rid of pests with less worries with Mortein Nature Guard. Mortein combines powerful action with natural ingredients. High in performance, low in chemicals. Yet it knocks down faster and kills 2 times more mosquitoes, cockroaches, and flies while caring for your home and your family. Mortein Nature Guard. Powerful protection with natural ingredients.
You may think that throat irritation caused by the environment or simple daily activities isn't that serious. But in reality, it's your body's way of telling you that something is wrong. Drinking lots of water, resting more can provide relief. To effectively help your body fight the irritation, take Strepsils. Strepsils quickly soothes dry and itchy throat, and by coating deep down, it can provide lasting relief long after the lozenge is gone. Enjoy life and live well. Strepsils.
Vivian, huwag dito!
Ang lupet! Ang galing ni Lovie Bo at saka ni Jeneline!
Ganda. Enjoy na enjoy kami.
The movie's great. 2 thumbs up.
It's basically for a matured audience. Yun ang maganda doon. Moderno.
It has comedy, it has drama, it has that action, and it's sexy, and it's full of love.
The Bride and the Lover, now showing!
Super nice ng movie. Lahat ng ginawa nila, hindi ko ina-expect. Nagulat ako, very mature yung movie and ang daming twist. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, panoorin nyo dahil sobrang nakakatawa talaga.
It's not just your ordinary na parang infidelity affairs na nagagawa-nagawan. This one, merong intensity to it na hindi mo makita doon sa ibang movies.
It was a great mix of comedy, romance, and conflict.
Worth it! I-google mo!
The Bride and the Lover.
The Bride and the Lover, now on its 2nd week.
At the Asian Academy of Television Arts, we recognize talent and we hone it to be better than best. Don't be just anybody. Enroll now at the Asian Academy of Television Arts.
A new adventure awaits you. Enjoy nature's bounty. Bond with new friends. Have fun like a child. Experience the past. A one-of-a-kind experience. Dasoland, a family adventure park.
Ligas Lechon, mula sa lutuan hanggang sa kainan. Sa Ligas Lechon, tuloy-tuloy ang kasayahan. Ligas Lechon, malutong, masarap, masaya.